Okay, this is a great Hucklow school, and as the others did, they came up with all their own ideas. And this one's about the calm before the storm, and then the storm. It's in 3 parts, so when they stand up, that's not for the bow, that's for the 3rd part.
We had a whole string quartet, violins, there was a viola and a cello, so we made use of that. And some people played, again, like keyboard.
Go on, what's your name?
Becky, and they taught us music, and they sort of said, they did games, like warm-up games, and they sort of, we had to eat cake.
You had to eat cake? It's part of the project,
sort of did mouth things, like going stuff like that. And we drew squiggles, and we had to sort of sing what the
squiggles were.
And they told us what we were doing.
Right.
Like what they were doing.
Right.
There's some quite confident singers though, so which is why we could do that movement 3 or whatever of the piece with the crazy horrible harmonies.
Oh,
When we sat down and thought of ideas, they kept on having ideas, they just kept coming.
Well, we wanted to do we kind of agreed on the sea kind of thing, and we wanted to do animals in the sea.
And I think we did Goat Song and them as well, that was really...
Yeah, they really are. Okay, these are 2 songs that we learned, all of us separately, and we've come together and we've sung together today. They're called Obasi Day and Muchi Tai Tai.
I liked when they were teaching us the songs that they brought with them.
I liked how everyone kept on the beat and stuff, and singing to the beat.
Right.
Oh,
mean, in a way, it was quite a good thing that the different groups were so different. It was a challenge, and it was different experiences.
Yeah, I mean, every is a good illustration. Every group is totally different. You don't know what you're going to get.
Just got to make the most of what you're given.
Tie, tie, timber, hurry, nickel, hey, hey, hurry, night. When she tie, tie, timber, hurry, nickel, hey, hey, hurry, nickel, hey, tie, timber, hurry, night. When she tie, tie, timber, hurry, nickel, hey, tie, timber, hurry, night. When she tie, tie, timber, hurry, nickel, hey,
Obviously, it was a new area to go into. Never sort of confronted a class of primary school kids before. But I think what we've been given was good, and it was there as a good starting point. I think it was, there was enough of it there to get us through it. So
Okay. What about you, Alex?
Yeah, I thought what we were given was really good. I learned a lot, actually.
Oh, definitely.
Or net especially. The sessions that we did where I didn't use a lot of it, but it just was helpful for my understanding. I've actually just done my music A level, and some of the stuff in there, or net taught me really, so it's quite interesting.